Induction hobs, also known as induction cooktops, are more efficient and perform better than gas hobs. But many people aren't aware of this. CLASP surveys showed that around 40% of Europeans think gas hobs heat food faster than induction. So we put gas and induction to the test. At an accredited laboratory, we tested gas and induction in a controlled environment under the same conditions. Using 2 hobs with similar power output, 2 identical stainless steel pots, and equal amounts of water at the same initial temperature. The results were clear. The induction hob boiled the water faster. With a gas hob, much of the heat can escape around the pot, wasting energy. With induction, a magnetic field heats only the pot, meaning no energy is wasted. The lab tests by CLASP also found that induction hobs can be twice as efficient as gas. And beyond speed and efficiency, induction is cleaner, healthier, and safer for households. Learn more at clasp.ngo. CLASP, efficient appliances for people and the planet.